Hello everyone, my name is Yuz Yusof. I'm a consultant rheumatologist from Leeds. I'm reporting live from Chicago to cover the ACR 2025 conference. As we all know, Sjogren's disease is a condition where it affects predominantly the glands, leading to symptoms such as dryness, but it also can affect other organs as well as can lead to patients' symptoms burden such as fatigue and also having pain. There is significant unmet need in Sjogren, as currently there is no licensed therapy. So many drug trials have failed phase 3, and for the first time at ACR Conference, we see a positive light for a drug called Ianalumab. So this was presented in the late-breaking abstract number LB24. Ianalumab is a B-cell drug where it works by inhibiting the BAFF receptor, but it also has anti-dependent cytotoxicity mechanism, which leads to complete B-cell depletion. So it's very attractive because it does two jobs. One is inhibiting the B-cell survival factor, and second one is doing depletion. So in this phase 3 trial that were presented, it was actually two trials, one called NEPTUNUS-1, where they compare two arms, one with the drug, Ianalumab, subcutaneous versus placebo, and the second is NEPTUNUS-2, where they compare three arms. One is the placebo, one is Neptunus monthly injection, and another one is to be given 3 monthly injection with placebo in between. So in terms of patient characteristic, so this patient had a moderate to severe systemic activity as measured by SDI, and interestingly about 30% of patients had a severe disease activity as defined by SDI more than 13. So in terms of the results, it's a resounding yes. So the primary endpoint was a change in SDI, and this was consistent in both trials, NEPTUNUS-1 and NEPTUNUS-2, and you can see the effect of Ianalumab from week 20 onwards. So what about other key secondary endpoints? So the results also showed that the physician global assessment also improved significantly over placebo in the Ianalumab group, and also patients' global assessment as well. How about other objective measures? So when they did a sub-analysis, they found that in patients who had some residual of saliva, which is more than 0.4 ml per minute, they have significant improvement in objective salivary flow rates as well. However, with other trials in Sjogren, we didn't see significant improvement in terms of fatigue, although there is some numerical changes there. And it will be interesting to know, because the drug company also now about to start the trial for patients with high symptom burdens to see whether this can also help this group of population as well. And lastly, in terms of safety, there's no significant adverse events or any major safety signals comparing that Ianalumab versus placebo. Although I did not see any data about immunoglobulin, but certainly serious infection rates are comparable. It'll be interesting to see, the whole paper, with that regard. So really, this is really a promising therapy. So first time we now have a drug which have two trials that supporting that the drug is effective and also provided some clinical meaningful improvement to the patient. And now we're just going to wait for the drug to undergo FDA approval, and hopefully we will have an option now to treat our patient with moderate to severe activity. And so thank you for listening to my summary, and follow me at Yuz Yusof and my colleague at Room Now for more content coverage. Bye-bye.